Good afternoon everybody. Today I'll take a class regarding trace precedent, trace dependent and trace error in Excel. Okay, my name is Zan. I am a computer faculty of Michael Park Computer Center. First I'll go to Excel. Okay, I'll go to Excel. Now here what I'll do, I'll type some values. Okay, some values I'll type. Now if you want to, I will add the sum of values. Okay, if you want to add the sum of values, there are different methods. Okay, now if you want to select individual values, I'll say equals. Okay, now select individual values. You give plus in between. Okay, give plus. Okay, select plus in between. Okay. Actually, here what I am doing here in this case. Okay. Now you have an option called, that is you go to formula. In formula you have option called trace precedent. Okay. See, trace precedent means it is net amount. Okay. Or it may be net value. Okay. Always trace precedent is for net value. Okay. So suppose I want to know this net value is coming from which values. Okay. I want to know the net value is coming from which values, or I want to know the link between the net value and individual value. For that you select on the net value. Now then you go to an option called precedent. Okay. Now what here it's showing? It's showing the link between the either you can say net value or you can say main cell to sub cell. Okay. This is mainly used for auditing purpose. Auditing. Okay. Now next take one more example. Let's say suppose I'll find the multiplication of two numbers. Same thing again you say equals. Again you multiply. For multiplication you give star in between. Okay. Again you star. Again you click on, okay, then you press enter. Now here what I am doing, I want to know this 48 is coming from which values, or this 48 result is linked with which individual values. For that you go to precedent. Okay. Now like that it show the link between the main cell to sub cells, or result cell to the individual cells. Okay, that is called trace precedent. If you want to remove the errors, click on remove errors. Next what we have dependence. Actually what is the meaning of dependence? See, dependence stands for link between the individual value to the main cell or individual cell to the main value. Now if I want to know this each cell is linked with which main cell. Okay. Now select individual cell, you go to dependence. Now she is showing, now this is for checking the link between the each cell to the main cell. Okay. Now I want to know what is the link between this cell to the main cell. Click on this. I want to know the link between the individual cell to the main cell. Like that, checking the link between the each cell. Okay. That is called as what? Trace dependence. Trace dependence. Okay, like that. If you want to remove the errors, what I'll do? I click on remove errors. Okay, this is the difference between trace precedent and trace dependence. And one more we have, that is called show formula. Actually, what is the meaning of show formula? It shows list of formulas in one particular sheet. What are the formulas you have done? It will show in one sheet. Now, once if I click on show formula, see, observe here, it will show all the formulas. It will show what are the formulas I have done for a particular calculation. Okay. Again, if you don't want, you click on the same option. Okay. If you want, it will get, or if you don't want, you can remove the formula. See, that is called show formula. To show the whatever the formula you done on a particular sheet. Okay. Now next what you have, next is coming to error checking. Okay. Actually, what is the meaning of error checking? Now here what I am doing. Now suppose instead of value I type some letter. Okay. Now what is showing? It's showing error. Value means error. Now I want to trace the error from which cell. I want to know this error is coming from which cell. For that what I do, we have an option called error checking. Then you go to trace error. Okay. Now it will show the link. Now it will show whatever the link between the main cell to sub cells. It will show all the links. Now what I will do, now I will come to know. Okay. Now this value, this error is coming from which cell? That is this particular cell. Now instead of letter, what I will do, I will give the number. See, automatically it's converting to value. Like that. See, that is the meaning of checking the error from main cell to sub cell. Okay, once again I'll show. Now again what I'll do, suppose if I type some, instead of numbers I'll type some letters. Okay, now showing value. Now I want to know the link between I want to know this error is coming from which cells. For that what I'll do, I'll go to again error checking, then you go to trace error. Okay, now it will show all the links which is connected to the main cell. Now what I'll do, I'll come to know what from where the error is coming. Now instead of letter, I'll take the number. See, automatically the value is changed. Okay, this is called trace error. If you want to remove the errors, click on remove error. Okay. Next what I have one more option called watch window. Actually what is the meaning of watch window? See, watch window means you have all the list of formulas. If you want to show the list of formulas separately in a separate window, for that you go for watch window. Suppose I want to know the details of the cell of this particular. I want to know the details of the cell regarding formula or which cell is connected, which values are connected to the main cell. Okay, I will go to the watch window. Then you say add watch. Click on add watch. Then you say add. Now here what is showing? Is showing the details of the cell. What is the book name? What is the sheet name? And what is the position of the cell? And what is the value of the cell? What is the formula? See, watch window is for showing the details of this cell. Suppose I want to know the details of this particular cell. Okay. Again you click on add watch and you say add. Now what will happen? Like that, I want to show the list of the formulas in a separate window, so that I can summarize the formulas, or I can get into the what type of formula I used in a separate window. That is called add watch. Okay. Like that. See, now this 54 is coming from which book 1, sheet 1. Suppose once again I'll go to sheet, I'll take another sheet. Now again what I'll do, I'll maximize this one. Now here what I'll do, again I'll take some other this one, and again I'll add it. For addition, again you say equal, select each cell, you say plus, okay, plus, again you say plus, then enter. Okay. Now again what I'll do, I'll go back. Suppose you think I'm in this sheet, I'm in the first sheet. Now I want to go to, now again what I'll go to add watch. Now I want to pick the values from the next, again I want to pick the values from the other sheet. For that what I'll do, I'll go to this next sheet which I want to pick the value. I'll select the result, then I'll say add. Like that, the result can be picked from any of the sheets, and you can show the formula in a separate window. Okay. Now this particular cell which I selected is coming from book 1, sheet 4, and the position of the cell, then value, then formula. See, this is called add watch. If you don't want, you select and you click on delete watch. Okay. Like that, this is the meaning of add watch. Okay. Now today I thought regarding what is trace precedent, trace dependent, trace error, and add watch and delete watch. Okay, thank you.